Okay, I'm going to show you how to block PowerShell from running scripts. So if your machine gets infected by a virus or something like that, it will stop it from executing scripts. Now I've made a similar video using Windows 10 Pro using GPEdit, so it's a group policy. But group policy is not on Windows 10 Home. So we have to use Regedit. So to get to Regedit, registry editor, just go to your search bar, type in registry. You'll see it there, open it. Right, and once here, you just go to HKey local machine. You just close there, so local machine. We go to software, and then we go to policies, Microsoft, and then click on Windows. On Windows, we're going to create a key. So just right click on it, say new key, and we call that PowerShell. So PowerShell, write it exactly as that. PowerShell, capitals, no spaces. Enter. Okay, so it's selected. So this is in the PowerShell folder. So in the folder you want to create, so just right click, say new, you want to create a dword 32-bit value, and we'll call that enable scripts. Enable scripts. So again, exactly the same wording. Enable scripts, enter, and enter again, and then you want to put in the value. So 1, if you put in 1 with value data, it will enable scripts to execute or to run in PowerShell. 0 will disable it. So just put it on 0 and say okay. Okay, then you want to create a new string as well. So say right click again, say new, say string value, and call that execution policy. Execution policy. Is that right? Execution policy. Just say enter and say enter again. And then you put in value data. You say restricted. Restricted. Alright, it will say restricted there. Obviously, if you want to use PowerShell, you can come to the same value and just put in, double click on it and put unrestricted in there. So capital letter U and just normal restricted. Unrestricted. And obviously put 1 there and not 0. Right, so let's just run PowerShell. Obviously, just come to the search bar, type in PowerShell, click on it, and right, just execute that command, get execution policy. This will tell you if it's restricted or unrestricted. So in this case, it's restricted. Now by default, it's usually undefined. It will say undefined if you put that same one there. I think it's list. Okay, so it says machine. Oh yeah, okay. So it definitely worked, because before we put in this edited rich keys, the machine policy was undefined. The undefined is like restricted, but now you have the ability to unrestrict it too if you want to use it. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Oh yeah, before I forgot, if you want, if you edit anything in Regedit, just make a backup by going to File, Export. So before you edit anything, because it can corrupt your whole system, choose where you want to save it, to an external drive or flash drive. Give it a name and save it. So I've done it after now, which is not advisable. So just do it before that, and yeah, it should be good.